Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see the Bluetooth option in MacBook and how you can connect device through Bluetooth with your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to the top of the screen. As you can see, as an option, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will see the options like this. So as an option for the Bluetooth, and as you can see, it's on, so we need to click on this, and after clicking on this, all the Bluetooth setting will be open. So if you want to open the Bluetooth preference, you can also do that. Simply we need to click on this option, Bluetooth preference, and after clicking on this, the Bluetooth setting will be open, and you will be able to see all the connected devices and all the active devices here. If you want to make it off, you can also do that. It's up to you. Simply you have to click on this, and if you want to connect, you have to click on this, and it will be connected. So in this way you can view your Bluetooth icon and connect devices with it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can view the Bluetooth icon and how you can connect the devices with it. You just have to follow these steps. So see you guys in the next video.